Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk Tech. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and every few months a new model emerges to push the boundaries of what's possible. Today we are diving into DeepSeek-R1, an AI model that's making headlines for its groundbreaking features and its potential to rival industry giants like OpenAI's GPT-O1. DeepSeek-R1 is a next-generation AI model developed by DeepSeek, an innovative tech company based in China. It's a LLM designed to excel in tasks like solving complex maths problems, writing and debugging code, answering logical and reasoning questions, and engaging in natural conversations. But what sets it apart? Unlike many other AI models, DeepSeek R1 focuses heavily on RL, and that is reinforcement learning, which allows it to improve its reasoning and problem solving skills without relying much on pre-labeled training data. So, what makes DeepSeek R1 special? Here are its standout features. First is reinforcement learning for reasoning. So, instead of just predicting the next word in a sentence, DeepSeek R1 learns by trial and error. This makes it exceptionally good at logical reasoning and decision making tasks. Second one is cost efficiency. DeepSeek R1 achieves performance compared to GPT-O1, but it does so with significantly fewer computational resources. This means lower cost and better accessibility for developer. And even in terms of API limits or let's say pricing, it is better than OpenAI's models. Third is open source accessibility. DeepSeek has made R1 open source, inviting developers and researchers worldwide to collaborate and innovate. This transparency sets it apart from many proprietary models. Fourth is versatility across applications. Whether it's coding, answering complex questions, or assisting in research, DeepSeek R1 is designed to adapt and perform across a variety of use cases. DeepSeek R1 isn't just another AI model, it's a disruptor. Here, why it's making waves in the tech world. First is global competition. DeepSeek R1's performance has put China's AI development firmly on the map, challenging global leaders like OpenAI and Google DeepMind. Second thing is stock market impact. The release of DeepSeek R1 even caused ripples in the tech industry. Major company like Nvidia saw significant drop in stock value as investors speculated on the rise of cost-efficient AI models. Third is censorship concerns. While the model is open source, its API version includes built-in censorship on politically sensitive topic. This dual nature of transparency and control has sparked debates about ethics in AI. But what does DeepSeek R1 mean for the future of AI? Well, it's a glimpse into a world where AI is more accessible, more efficient, and potentially even more impactful. But it also raises important questions about ethics, transparency, and global competition in AI development. DeepSeek R1 is more than just an AI model, it's a symbol of the rapid progress in AI technology worldwide, whether you are a developer, a researcher, or just someone curious about AI. DeepSeek R1 is a name you'll want to remember. What do you think about DeepSeek's R1? Is it the next big thing or just another step in the evolution of AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into latest in tech and AI. Until next time, keep exploring.